All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's Wednesday adjectives. So modern. Modern. To be of the latest days and times. Very recent. Very new. Very recent. Very new. Yes. Yeah. How cool is that? These are modern times. Do you like those modern inventions? Yes. Do you like those modern inventions? We have modern techniques of making or printing books. Modern techniques, new technology to print books faster and easier. Yeah. How cool is that? It is a wonder of the modern world, all this technology around us. A wonder, like magic, of the modern world. Yes. Welcome to the most modern country in the world with the most modern technology and innovation. Yes. How cool is that? So, we wanted a modern tool. Do you think these tools will work? Or shall we get more modern ones? Well, they might work, but more modern ones are better. Yes. Yeah. Why is he writing a modern tale? Yeah. I am writing a story set in the modern world. Yeah. Modern times. In modern times. Yeah. Oops. Yeah, how cool is that? Yeah. We will be building modern cars soon. Yeah. So we have a lot of technology to make modern instruments. Yes. Yes, we could say anything. With modern building methods, we can make this building. We can make this building in a short space of time. Yes. How cool is that? Look at all this modern technology they are using. Look at the modern technology that he is using. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, modern language explorers now. Can you use modern in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below and like the video? Subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram, and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.